Ultrasound versus lasers in fat reduction procedures, 2 wins. An individual's figure can negatively impact and fluctuate with the deteriorating age, fluctuating weight, and pre- or post-pregnancy due to the lack of regular exercise. Today, everyone is busy and gets the least time to relax. The amount of stress is increasing day by day, and so is the development of fatty tissue. Many people start bothering about their looks and appeal. Diet and exercise-resistant fat deposits, especially in certain areas, are also a significant health risk. Vaser lipo registered vibration amplification of sound energy at resonance. Vaser lipo, an ultrasonic liposuction technique that is based on liposelection registered, minimally invasive technique. This technique breaks fatty tissues without harming the surrounding tissue, blood vessels, and nerves. This treatment can be easily performed in the office, outpatient surgery center, or hospital under local anesthesia. If a large amount of fat reduction is planned or procedures are combined, general anesthesia might be required. Just like other treatments, vaser lipo is not used as a weight loss procedure. The main aim of this treatment is to get back shape of specific body areas, giving slimmer and more defined silhouette, and to achieve safe reduction of fat mass in the area of interest. The additional benefit of the procedures is associated skin tightening. After use of ultrasound, the aspirated fat can be used as a for fat grouting or isolation of stem cells. Laser-assisted liposuction. Used under different brand names based on the same principle of concentrated laser energy to destroy fat tissue, which later on is aspirated. The manufacturers went off different generations of the equipment, which had a couple of things in common. With each improvement, more powerful laser source was used, combined with an overwhelming marketing strategy to create hype around the procedure. It also made a lot of unqualified physicians to get on board performing the procedure in their offices, which in my opinion is a dangerous trend and does not serve the patient's best interest. Here are the pros. 1. It can be performed in offices under local anesthesia, if the patient's safety is not compromised, which very often is not the case when used by doctors which are not board-certified plastic surgeons. 2. Can cause some degree of skin tightening, especially when small fat deposits are treated. Here are the cons. Aspirated fat cannot be reused after multiple procedures are required. Internal scarring of the treated area. Principles for treating cellulite. Description: widespread problem, more common in women for their 20s to a later age. There are a variation and degrees of its presentation. The anatomy behind the problem is complex and different components need to be addressed for a sustained improvement to be achieved. In general, the following steps are crucial for the success. Identifying and mapping and marking the areas. Injecting of the tumescent solution in the areas involved in the surrounding areas. Treatment of the cellulite bands with ultrasound or laser-based device. Limited ultrasound-assisted liposuction of the area involved and the surrounding areas for proportional and smoother appearance. Microfat grafting to the depressed areas, crucial for the success of the procedure. Appropriated postoperative care. While the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are possible using laser-based devices such as Cellulase trademark, Step 5 cannot be performed because laser-treated fat tissue is not viable. Vaser Smooth. This is the only treatment that addresses all structural components of cellulite. This is a minimally invasive solution using ultrasound energy, so an ultrasound-assisted procedure that reduces cellulite and gives a permanent improvement to the cellulite problem. This treatment gives smoother skin, even skin tone, and a healthier look. Vaser Shape. Dr. Evdokimow's Vaser Shape, non-invasive treatment for fat reduction, brings assured results. This treatment can be combined with many other surgical and non-surgical procedures. This treatment has been voted one of the best non-invasive treatments by an aesthetic surgery convention based in Las Vegas. This technology reduces fat, helps in improving the looks of cellulite and skin tightening in order to give a smoother and beautiful-looking skin. The result has moderate permanency because a lot of the fat cells remain viable after the procedure. Its value nowadays is a quick recovery method in post-vaser liposelection patients and temporary reduction of fat deposits in patients facing important events within the short period of time, which does not allow them to undergo the surgical procedure. To know more, please check Dr. David Evdokimow's website www.theplasticsurgeonofniche.com.